So here in algae there are some classes, like starting with the first one, Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae are called as green algae or grass green algae. So these are the algae which contain chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B as a chlorophyllous pigments. Then apart from this one, they have some carotenoids also, and these carotenoids are present these chlorophyll pigments are present in chloroplasts. These chloroplasts are of different shapes, starting with spherical, cup shaped. So spherical is the most common type, and cup shaped is present in Chlamydomonas. Some of them will have reticulate present in Edogonium. Then some will have star shape in Zygnema. Some will have disc shape in Caulerpa. Some will have ribbon shape in Spirogyra. Likewise, different types of plate like different types of structures are there in different types of algal members, but the basic thing is all these have the chloroplast in which the chlorophyllous pigments are present. Those are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, which are concerned with the photoautotrophic type of nutrition. Then if you come to the cell organization, so here these members may include the unicellular forms like Chlamydomonas. So here if you observe this one, this is the structure of Chlamydomonas, in which we can see the cup shaped chloroplast in it inside the cytoplasmic content. This is cytoplasmic contents in which the nucleus is also being present. And the flagella will be arising. So two flagella are present. So this is a blepharoplast from where the flagella will arise, and nucleus, cup shaped chloroplast. So Chlamydomonas is an unicellular and motile structure. Here the Chlamydomonas is having two flagella, that is biflagellated, whereas some of them are having four flagella like Eulothrix, and some will have many flagella also like in Edogonium. Apart from that one, in some of the members we can see the stigma or the receptive spot, photosensitive organ is also been seen. This stigma or eye spot, which is considered to be the photoreceptive organ. Then if we come to the other characteristic features, like some may be multicellular and filamentous in their nature. So like in Spirogyra, Edogonium, Khara, like some other examples are there which are having multicellular organization in their body. If you observe the structure of Spirogyra, there is a filamentous structure, uniseriate filament will be there, and inside which the cells are arranged one above the other. And Spirogyra is an freshwater algae in which the outer membrane and inner membrane is present. So, this is called a cell wall. In this also the outer cell wall layer and inner cell wall layer is there, which is inner one is made up of cellulose and outer one is made up of pectin, inside which the plasma membrane is also been seen. Here the chloroplast is in the form of spirals like this. And here large central vacuole is there. In the center of the large central vacuole, the nucleus is suspended. So, the nucleus is suspended with the help of the cytoplasmic strands. So, this type of organization is present in the Spirogyra like examples. Then in Chara, we can see the filament, the plant like organization, but it is having the main axis. On this main axis, we can see the presence of the branched structures like this. But this is not the actual root, stem and leaf organization that is present in the higher plants, but it appears to be like a main axis and the branched structures like this. So, the node like structure will be there, from which the branch like structures will be arising, and from this point once again the branch like structures will be forming. So, this type of organization can be seen in the Chara, and which is macroscopic in its nature. Here the green color of the members of Chlorophyceae is because of the chlorophyll pigments, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Here the members of Chlorophyceae will exhibit reproduction, and it may be by vegetative reproduction, asexual or the sexual methods. Vegetative reproduction is mostly by fragmentation, that is a breakdown of the long slender part into small pieces, and each fragment will develop into individual organism. The other one is called as a asexual reproduction. So, this asexual reproduction, either it may take place by motile spores called as zoospores, or non-motile spores are called as aplanospores, or sometimes it may be by achaenids and etc., or some variety different types of asexual spores, and they may be either formed during the unfavorable conditions, sometimes during the favorable conditions also. Then coming to the sexual method of reproduction. So, here the members will exhibit isogamy, anisogamy and some oogamous type of reproduction also. When the fertilization occurs, that is when the fusion of male and female gametes will take place, it results into formation of the zygote, which is a diploid structure. Generally, this zygote will undergo meiosis to produce a haploid plant body, and majority of these members of Chlorophyceae will have haplontic life cycle because of zygotic meiosis, where zygote is the only diploid stage, whereas all other structures are haploid in condition. Some important examples of Chlorophyceae members are Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Cladophora, Chara, etc. So, these are some of the members of Chlorophyceae.